Hey, Richie Dotson here again from Chateau Debris, aka my office, my shop, acousticbox.com, Acoustic Box LLC, and I'm having some collar issues, I see. Um, we've got kind of a unique one here today. Dear friend of mine in the Wichita, Kansas area, Dean Johnson. Dean, I hope you're feeling better, my friend. Uh, had us make this neck for his I think it's 1929, pyramid tone ring style 2. And these are just not very common. And it's sort of a transitional ring. Thought you'd like to see it. Dean wanted a fiddle-shaped headstock, which is a little different for this model. In fact, it's a lot of bit different. But it's growing on me with the Nick Lucas inlay pattern. And I think it's a fantastic, powerful little banjo. And you should, if you're not familiar with what the pyramid tone ring looked like, go ahead and search that on Google. We did not take this banjo apart, or not the pot anyway, so we didn't take the ring off of it, but they're different. And you can see from the skirt on the side, it doesn't run very deep under there, but you know, you got shoe brackets, the top of which are not too far, probably a quarter an inch from the top of the bracket to the bottom of the skirt on this. And these transitional models are just fun. And this one plays like butter. And Dean, I really do hope you feel better, my friend, and enjoy this video. Have a great one. We'll talk to y'all later. If you like these videos, hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell notification if you want to see these videos as we upload them. We appreciate each and every one of you. Have a good one. Bye.